有的队列可能稍微长一些，但是每个队列等候的时间是一样。祝您森林河流之旅愉快，请各位当心，有可能被推荐时。
What are we getting ready to ride?
Jungle River Cruise.
What language?
English.
All right.
Background dog. Bye bye. Good morning. Welcome to the world famous Jungle River Cruise. I'm your skipper. You can call me Eric. Good morning. Alright, sit down please. Sit down please. Yeah, sit properly. Okay, before our trip starts, I have some important reminders for you. First of all, please take care of your electronic item. It is because you may be get wet. Also, please sit properly. Keep all your head, and head inside the boat because there are crocodile. Yeah, you can see in the window side there are crocodile. It's aiming for our head, hand, leg. Yeah, so be careful. And then please all at the side there are elephant is taking a shower. You can see that. He's wrinkled. Oh, be careful. If you don't want to be wrinkled, please don't have a bath. Okay, there are elephant father. He's also taking a shower. But I think we anger him because we are close here. Oh, be careful, be careful. Yeah. Oh, he just had to marry. Yeah. But however, elephant father forced the centering in other river. This Asian's temple. Yes, it is very horrible temple. You can see some big spiders in the door side. Yeah, here. Yes, these big spiders can jump over 20 feet. But don't worry, our boat only have 10 feet away. They can't jump inside our boat. Yeah. Okay, up here there are recent elephant god. Yes. And then near the recent elephant god Ganesha, there are king cobras. Be careful. It's because this is the most poisonous snake in the world. It can attack you in 1 second and bite your nose. Please be careful. Yeah, okay. Now, yes, do not go down. Okay, now in front of us there are many animals, including giraffes and zebra. Do you know the difference between male zebra and female zebra? Okay, let me tell you. The female zebra is black with white, and then the male zebra is white with black. Yeah, remember that. Okay, now in the yeah.
How was the world famous Jungle Cruise?
Great. Jungle River Cruise.
Okay. How were the jokes? Good?
On the left hand side, there's the world's biggest spiders. 1, 2, 3, and the remaining one is on the right hand side. In the front is the ancient temple of Ganesha, the elephant god, which is protected by some king cobras. But everyone who students keep silent since they will strike them like his motion. And now we leave the old temple, it seems that we are out of danger. But actually, there are some friends waiting for us. Can you see your friends? Oh, there are some crocodiles. We call them crocodiles, but do you know how they cost? They cost lunch or dinner, so please don't put anybody from outside the boat. Okay, please slide forward. Okay, let's get seafood. Okay, now here we go. Let's turn around and on your back on down. Bye bye. Bye bye. Good afternoon, everybody. Hello. Firstly, welcome you guys to the world famous world jungle river cruise. And let me introduce myself first. My name is Mandy, and I'm going to be your skipper. And your swimming instructor for the next 5 exciting days and challenging nights. But before we go, I have some important reminders to all of you that since jungle river cruise is a water ride, and all you should protect your own electronic devices, such as your digital camera and your mobile phone. And also, adults, please take care of your children and please don't stand up suddenly due to safety reasons. And the last one is remember not to open your umbrella, okay? Since we now have the advantage, so it would be better if we don't open the umbrella, okay? And now, everybody, let's take a look on the right-hand side together. Does anybody know where is it on the right-hand side?
Tarzan's Treehouse.
Yes, that's right. On the right-hand side is Tarzan's Treehouse. If you haven't been there today, don't worry. In the front, actually there is a pier for you guys to go to the treehouse by taking a raft. However, you guys cannot go there by swimming. Do you know why? Let's have a guess. You know why you cannot go there by swimming? Actually, since Tarzan has some crocodiles under the water as the safeguard, so don't try to go there by swimming. Otherwise, they will come and follow you. And at the time, we are now passing through the pier on both sides. Can everybody raise up your hand and let's say hello to the guys on the left-hand side together, okay? Hello! Hi! And again, also let's greet the people on the right-hand side. Hello! And after greetings, and now we start our adventure on the longest river in the world. And in the front, there's mother elephant and her baby elephant. And baby elephant is learning how to use his trunk. But everybody watch your face. Wow, see if he wants to use it or not. Good news, he's on that baby elephant. Wow, but can you hear some voice? Actually, this brother elephant, he's taking a shower, but I think he's been under the water for a long, long time. Looks like those wrinkles on his body. Oh, and that brother elephant, he feels angry and he wants to shoot at us. Wow, please don't do that. However, he wants to come on down. Let's get down. Wow. Oh, but why there's no water this time? Oh, don't worry. I guess he's just joking. He won't shoot at us again. And now we enter the old temple. You can see that there's some spiders on the left-hand side. They are the world's biggest spiders. 1, 2, 3. And the remaining one is on the right-hand side. In the front is the ancient temple of Ganesha, the elephant god, which is protected by some pink cobras. But everybody holds still and keep silent, since they will strike and like his motions. And now we leave the old temple, it seems that we are out of danger, but actually there are some friends waiting for us. Is your friend? Oh, there are some crocodiles. We call them crocodiles, but do you know how they cost? They cost lunch or dinner, so please don't put anybody from outside the boat, otherwise they will fight us. And that is the tip of Professor Corner and James, but I think they are some unexpected companies for real. They are really done, so please don't shoot at our boat. This gas station is this floor, otherwise our boat will sink. And now we are on to Africa. You can see there's some cute animals. Zebras, giraffes, and also elephants. By the way, guys, you see that there are two elephants. Yes. Another one is hidden. It's on the right hand side. Wow. It's okay, we don't want to get wet. And there's some interest under the water. Oh, you see that? Ooh, there are some people. They want to attack our boat. Everybody, watch your freeze. Wow. They haven't watched the tea for a long time. So sorry. And there's some guys on the tree. Oh, you know why? This is preparing to argue with the rhino. Now they climb up the tree. However, we are not going to rescue you guys. Okay, we are just passing through. Have a nice time with rhino. Yeah. Oh, and now let's take a look. In the front, do you know what's that overhead? There's some skulls or some small hells, which is the headless language. And now we arrived at headless quarter. And headless, so we're supposed to get our heavens. Oh, see, where are the horses are? It becomes silent. It seems that no any horses are speaking out again. But at the time, is everybody still okay? Okay, that's great to be okay. And now I will enter my boat and part of it to be in Center Jungle. But why there's a big tunnel blocks the river? We can change our route. Oh, I guess we've been posted into the Forbidden Land of the richest protected by waterfront and tiger. Tiger feels pretty, actually. And check the 1, 2, 3. Again. Cannot go back to dog again. And I hope you guys will not feel scared anymore. On the left hand side, let's take a look. Let's make the elephants again. Waiting for us to come back. And then last, let's say go with the baby elephants together. Okay, bye bye. Bye. Don't shoot at us. And my last week, everybody, please sit down first and mind your elbow. Don't put your elbow and hand outside the door. Thank you very much. And after saying about the baby elephants, there's a bad news to you guys, which is about we get to finish our journey. And I hope you guys enjoy this journey. If you like this journey, it's simple. You can still remember my name Mandy again. If you hate it, don't worry. Just call me Mary. That's it, okay? Let's wait for a while. Get the boat and stop.